Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I am going to quickly mention that doing this kind of process will let you get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know, but it will also most likely mean that your device becomes FRP locked, and that would mean that you need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account after the reset is finished while going through the setup. I will also be recording a video on how you can bypass this in a wonky way and get rid of this kind of protection later on. If you're interested in that, it will be in a separate video as a bypass. In any case, to get started, we're going to hold our power button and from boot options, select power off. Give it a moment and the device will turn off. Once it does so, hold power button and volume up at the same time and let go of the power button when you see the TECNO logo on the screen. Next, you will see Android with no command, at which point we will start holding power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up. Like so. This redirects us to the recovery mode, and here using volume buttons, specifically volume down, you want to navigate down and select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with the power button, then select factory data reset. This will go through a quick format. As you can see, it's already done, so once it's done, reboot system now is selected by default, so press power button once more. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is continuing the reset, it will take the device just a little bit longer to boot back up, so just be patient. It's going to be about like 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once that's finished, you'll be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.